Morning guys! We are currently in a petrol station. Yeah, gas station. Servo. On the way to Mount Olympus. It's just us two on the talk show. We've gone with the hostel and there was originally... Yeah, we paid €50 each. There was originally another guy coming but he's taken his name off after seeing ours on there, so that's slightly awkward.
Smiley faces.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just us two and the driver. And he's got a little dog, it's so cute. But yeah, I think we're not far away from Mount Olympus at all now. And we're gonna hike it. And I think we're gonna go for a swim at a waterfall.
And then there's a village.
There's a village, some kind of exhibition, museum.
And then there's another hike.
And then there's another hike. So it's gonna be a fun packed day. But we're just getting coffee right now because we are tired. I need a kick of energy. But that's what we're doing. It'll be a fun day.
Not much else going on in Tassie though. City, it's a big country, so I was trying to explain to somebody.
We have many common food with Turkey. So, in English it's strawberry tree. Because every November, December, make some fruits in this size. Start yellow and come red. When it's red, pink.
Whoa! Wow!
And go down inside the river from the canyon.
Wow!
When we see some points with a waterfall or a very steep path, we set the rope, we take the rope and put it in. Very
Big?
I prefer it like this when it's not ripe.
What does it taste like?
No,
It's kind of sour, but also
not
sweet.
After 1-2 months, weeks, it's more better.
It's so red. But it's
Freezing.
so clear.
Like, it's beautiful,
so nice.
but it's like an ice bath.
Yeah, it's good for you. An ice bath is good for you.
And there's lots of like wasps and
Yeah, this
tadpoles.
just
and
go
a caterpillar.
swim into it. But yeah, it's so
It's
nice.
Swim where it's not supposed to swim.
Swim where it's not meant to swim, exactly. But yeah, it's so nice. It's so clear. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
But we didn't last that long in the water because it's so freezing. Okay guys, we are now back at the hostel after our very fun packed day trip. We're gonna have our sandwiches because we brought some sandwiches with us, but we never had to eat them because he brought us lunch. Liv says I'm gonna hear a pee on my vacation. He brought tomatoes and apricots from his garden for us and some pastries from the bakery. So good, they were so delicious. But yeah, we're very exhausted now. It's like 7 p.m. I think. So we're gonna have the sandwiches that we packed for our day trip now in the common room, I think. And then we'll see what we're gonna do. I think I need to edit the vlog and post that. So we'll have some phone time, I think. And we're exhausted. We've hiked like 12 kilometers today, so it's been hectic. But yes, it's been such a fun day. Would definitely recommend hiking Mount Olympus if you are in Thessaloniki. That was a video. For hiking. It's a long queue.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Juice. Do you want to go look if there's something you like?
Yeah, okay.
And then I can stay and then
Yeah.